Here is how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich in just 1 minute. First, you'll need to get some bread, your choice of peanut butter spread, and of course, some jelly. Any kind will work. Now you are ready for assembly. Take 2 slices of bread onto your plate. On one slice, you can spread as much peanut butter as you like. Then do the same thing with jelly on the other. Put both slices together and there you have a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. You can serve your sandwich with a glass of milk and enjoy.